Hello, friends. So it's been a new year 2021 and wishing you all a great year ahead. So, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas, where you will find new age management skills and lifestyle tips for to manage your new year better. So, today I will be talking about horizontal career growth, and now, due to this pandemic, vertical growth is very limited. As we all know, our parents probably had careers that went along with the vertical growth part. They started working for company X somewhere near the bottom and over the course of their lifetime slowly climbed the ladder to get to the highest possible position they could attain. But the times have changed. The times are changing now. These days, companies look less for a concrete set of exact skills and rather at more fluid competencies. We live in an era of disruptive technological and socio-political change, which means that the companies are finding ways to become armed with most adaptable and agile workforce as possible. That's the great for the companies, but what does mean for you and me for self development? It is good for us too because your broad understanding of the company will make you increasingly indispensable to the business, and it might be beneficial to you in other ways too, as well. As we can say that vertical career growth means focusing on getting a promotion so you can attain your next job title. On the other hand, horizontal career moves center around creating value for you and your company by increasing your knowledge. In practice, this means that you will be transferred to other department where you will learn new skills and adapt to existing one. This may mean a new job title, but it doesn't necessarily position you at a higher status than you were previously. So, friends, subscribe to my channel so if you want to get some interesting topic like this. So, on the plus side, your wider skill set and knowledge base will bring increased value to your company compared to the narrower view of a vertical orientation. The major argument in favor of horizontal career growth is that vertical growth is essentially pyramid shaped funnel that we all know, with many employees at the bottom and fewer as we go higher up. This means that and fewer people get climbed to the ladder at the very top. Tired of hitting that ceiling? You might have been pursuing a vertical career growth path only to find that you will hit a ceiling. This could mean that you are being shut out from the climbing the ladder. If staff turnover is low at your company, there are more likelihood that this is a problem for you. You might be hitting a different kind of ceiling since you have been grown tired of your routine, your department, and your narrowly focused tasks. It is time to consider horizontal career growth path. You can increase your job opportunities and find prospect for stimulating self-development. Horizontal career moves are often enabled through the part-time or online study, which can provide you with the new skill to shift into other areas. Explore the broad range of study options on the brighter side of this learning platform that can fit into your life and help you to make your next a horizontal or maybe the vertical career path. So both these career paths are mutually exclusive. No, they are often complementary. Spending period moving laterally with your business will probably increase your chances for a vertical growth and increase your ability to succeed at the higher level job when you do advance upward. Your experience across a range of departments will likely provide self-development that will make you a stronger leader and a employee of a greater value to your company. Do you prefer horizontal career moves because you shy away from taking a leadership role? Prepare yourself for a vertical moves by developing your leadership skills with a part-time and online courses or study horizontal or vertical career growth. Which is better for your self-development? That you have to think. On the surface, it may seem that horizontal career growth is more beneficial for self development. It depends on your values and priorities. If you value constant growth in terms of your paycheck because you have a growing family to take care, or maybe some other, instead you find vertical growth paths more valuable, since horizontal career typically means remaining at your current salary. Maybe are you a person who thrives in environment of certainty and predictability? If you are, you may find horizontal career moves unsettle you, which might hinder your self development. With horizontal moves, you cannot be assured that you will like your new role or department. Your workplace might have undergo serious changes due to this pandemic, which may have consequences for you and your role in the company. If you are in the management, you might want to consider parking in a short course or a change management to helps to guide you. The familiarity of vertical growth provided by keeping you in the same department may foster other forms of self-development, like building a long-term relationship with your colleagues across the other departments or the floor. At certain times, your company may require to make a horizontal career move. Remember the significance of such an opportunity, especially for the self development, rather than seeing it as less desirable than a vertical move. Eventually, as Harvard Business Review also predicts, businesses may start to see the value in horizontal moves and reward employees who make those shifts as much, if not more, than those who make vertical moves. So, friends, if you all like my thoughts, give my channel a huge thumbs up, share it, support it, and subscribe it. Till I meet next with a new exciting topic. Bye for now. Thank you.